Okay, in this video, we are gonna in- intercept the banana tornado that Brookhaven recently added. Let's get into it. And we are inside. We're also gonna intercept the laser. Let's see this guy house. Yo, two cars? What is saying? Ain't no way, bro. You have a bodyguard and has an avatar like that. I hope I don't get banned. I hope I don't get banned. It's Bill Nugget. Let me traumatize this dragon. What is really doing? I do it the fuck when I can just steal this guy's car. No more car. No more car for you. No more car for you. No more wood. No more car for you. No more car for you. But no. No more car for you. You can find it in the sea. Oh, 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 oh. Speed up. Speed up. Speed up. Speed up. Okay. Oh, yo. Oh, I think I was going too fast. Oh, oh, there he is. There he is. Okay, let's try this monster. Mm, 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 mm. I think share that argument. I'm gonna call this UTab. UTab 2. I'm gonna call it that. Use a blue. Use a blue tornado. Dun, 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 dun. That's why I was not.
Uyol? Na uyol.
Remember what I said? Guilt is nice. Real guilt is something felt.
Oh, kanina there was the whole world.
Scared.
A lot of fun. A lot of.
That's what you were planning.
Bukan. Ah, bukan.
Ching. Oh, by the way, it's night time. Why do people keep inviting me? Well,
That's that day something deserves to be treated that way. They said
what the hell is that?
just like
Why that's me now?
he went through with.
Hello, hello, Civic Ashley. Hello, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give you down. Never gonna, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give you down.
If you're finding it too difficult to deal with your friends bullying you, then why don't you transfer to a different school? What did you say? Why should I be the one to change schools? Why aren't you making the ones bullying my son transfer?
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give you down. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give you down.
Years I'm canceling.
Those turning to Nick Ashley and the second.
Please just leave my phone. Doctor's father. You too much more. I'll do anything.
Ganun. Police mga fathers na.
They want iPad kids, so? Well, I know the solution. They love Tuk Sahur. I'm gonna turn them into a monster.
Ensuring that students fully grasp the consequences of their actions by having students live the torture that they made up for them, making sure they take accountability.
Oh yeah, this is boring.
Message.
Come on!
For the rest of your life, we'll care for you. That's the next thing. This is the hell you created. Enjoy it.
Yep, they're stuck. Let me enable collision.
The police investigated Chaser's case
Ah,
and immediately arrested Pete Shinkawa and his friends for what they did to Chaser.
they're stuck.
For the first time ever, Principal Kim didn't cower away to responsibility.
They're stuck.
Man, you've been hiding the entire time. The ERPB website exposed
They're
Pete
stuck.
Shinkawa's bullying for everyone to see.
Mother niya.
And they say that those records race if the victims forgive them.
Na-justice na.
But that's when the hero ended their stay in Tehran.
Yes.
And then, so ano pala,
Who's
episode?
this guy? Who's this guy?
Now we
You
have
can check his name. Hey, you cannot steal my car. My car.
One school na
You wanna chill? Okay, you can chill.
So yung bida,
Finally, I finally got the car back.
your one road.
I finally got the car back.
Road Kai? Road
Yeah. Uy, Louie Kai, bakit ka? My brother's name in Chinese is Louie Kai. Naku, patay. Why did you choose this? This is like, what you call this? Like a parking slot. A parking? What you call this? A parking slot. The hell is a parking slot? Okay, banana tornado.
So I just,
Please. No. 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 Why does it look it? Nah. Nah. Okay, I think this is it.